You may have seen me redesign my Swiss Army knife. I found a technique of mixing mica powders with thermoplastic and creating smooth surfaces, and as you can see, I actually really like this. If you get it in the right sun and whatnot, it's got depth to it. It's almost like opal. And just the other side, and it's totally on there. That is not coming off. I've used this no end in the last 3 weeks or so since I've done that, and I don't know, it's a bit psychedelic, 60s Austin Powers maybe. Yeah, nice. All the small things, as Blink 182 would say.